Hi everyone, this is my Module 5 review, and we'll just get right into it. My three favorite websites were the Discovery, the the BrainPop, and the Murloc websites. I like the Discovery website because there's pretty much everything on there. Anything you really would want to look up or anything. The Discovery website has always been really good for that. My high school teachers use it a lot, and it just has a super wide variety of information that you can use for multiple levels and uh, a variety of courses. The BrainPop one I like because we used to use it a lot when I was a kid. Um, it was just super easy to function, super easy to go into and just use. There's also a wide variety of information and topics and classes and stuff that you can go on there, and it's more towards children. It's the website's set up really nice and for like child interaction, and I think that's why it really works. Then my last one was the Murloc website. The Murloc website was pretty nice because it wasn't like plain and dull. It looked like a really good website. It looks like every all the information that they're gonna have is really good and what you want. I like the search a topic, then it'll pop up uh, what you researched or whatever you typed in. I love getting all those options, and it's just really nice. I looked at a couple of fee sites. Um, the prices really range different. There's like monthly, or like you can do uh, like yearly, and some are way more expensive than others. In this case, I really don't think the fee sites are better necessarily than non-fee sites, because as like you can see with the three non-fee sites, they're really good with information that they have on there already. So it's really just depending on what you want. If you want more like I would say peer reviewed and scholarly stuff, yeah, maybe the pay has more, but I don't think anyone's coming in and hacking educational websites. So I think the free ones are pretty good. My experience with Qua, uh, I wouldn't say was the best. I mean, it's a really good website, and it has a lot of options for your websites. Or like, I also did a quiz, but it has a lot of options, and it's really nice. The website itself is actually really dull. It's like a boring website to look at, and it just it wasn't the best working with me. Like, I had problems trying to save my assignments and stuff that I made, and it was just, maybe it was me, but it was just hard for me to use. The OERs, when I looked it up, I got this one website called OER Commons, which was really nice. It was kind of like the Murloc website where you just type in and there's a bunch of resources and what you would need for like other classes, or well, like, yeah, like other classes and stuff. Then there's also the FHSU OER website page, and it also was around the same. It had a lot of choices, had a lot of like different things you can choose from. Um, OERs in my future classroom, probably not a whole ton, because yes, I'm a physical education major, so a lot of it can help. Well, it just depends how you look at it. Yes, it can help when we're in the classroom and stuff, but most of the time, no. But yes, I could use it. And I think that is it. Thank you.